Yeah, we'll have to see to them there seats right there. Put some oversized valve in yonder. You know, I ain't much on that sand blasting there, but I'll take a wire brush, a file, a scraper to most anything. That's the difference it makes right there. Let's get on with that other now. Oh yeah. Okay, we're all the way from here to there. There's just one little place right there that's not bare metal. Oh yeah, that's quite good. Okay, it moved around that way. The end of it is right there and right there. Well, that's very good. Well, right there is a good example of what you're going to encounter in a day's projects. There's a nick in that seat there, but this head had been repaired. I think right here it is in the past, and someone had put this valve right here up in there, whatever it is. But it fitted, and the engine probably run and probably ran okay. But in time, you can see where that seat is dished out, mushroomed. So, and the other thing, this was a 30-degree valve. Someone had cut the 45-degree to a 30, but this valve in got the engine running. Well, the valves I'm going to build, that one was original 45, so I done cleaned that up. So I'll go ahead and cut this back to 45 the way it should be. But it's quite a bit of metal to remove between 30 degrees and 45 degrees. Let's put a little more on there. cast iron head, as a rule, you'd cut the seat dry. But hunting for that elusive, good seat, put a little oil on it. That's that rapid tap right there. That's pretty good oil. Works really good. Well, that kind of improved the seat. Kind of makes me want to go back. I think I will. I'm going to go back and put a little oil on that other seat right there. Because this is really good right here. It says right on the can there that this is recommended for its cast iron, you know. Rapid tap. You know, only thing left to do is pay the lady at the front door. Let's make a couple of valves now. Get a measurement on that. One of them's going to be a little bigger than the other.